Hi, I'm Dawn Dawson, and this is
Dave Arnold.
Mike Young.
Yeah, we're here. Just want to talk about some of the really cool traditions. This is 41 years of the IJSBA World Finals, and I think we all have some pretty amazing stories at what would be a landmark, and that of course is Kokomo. So even the very first year when I got to World Finals, that was one of the places that I absolutely had to go hang out in Kokomo to see all our friends.
Well, I mean, for me, it's always been, you know, come to Havasu, see all my friends, but the events that went on, the Hot Wheel races, you know, Vanilla Ice playing at Kokomo, the hydro-turf parties back in the day, that was always the cool part. But it was all our friends and our family. And of course, after our awards on Sunday night, that was always the big blowout. You go to Kokomo.
Oh yeah.
Without it, it's a fixture in Havasu, and it's all part of the World Finals. And that's the great part.
You know, some of my best pictures and memories from Kokomo is, you know, I was the captain one year, and I was playing with the captain. You know, obviously the captain didn't play back. But my favorite thing is actually getting on that jet ski and not getting hurt. I can stand on the jet ski, not get hurt. I can go up and down. I can put a girl on the back, and it's all cool.
Wow.
I don't even get hassled.
I got a visual there. I want to say some of our best pictures of Mike definitely happened at Kokomo's as well.
I've been chased out by a couple bouncers.
I think that is the only bar I've ever been kicked out of. Don't put that in there either. But, I got back
I'm
in.
still
So
the only one that hasn't been kicked out. I'm slacking. But you know, it's one of the great things to go to Kokomo. It's like Havasu. I mean, people come from all over the world, they party. But when it comes to the World Finals, we have like, what, 36, 38 countries that come here. We all go hang out at Kokomo, and that's what it's about. Being with our friends, having a good adult beverage, and letting loose.
I think it's one of the best places truly to recap all the war stories of the week. It's a chance for all of us to decompress because, quite frankly, World Finals is incredibly stressful for the riders and all of the holders and the crew. So
and 3 announcers.
I don't know how stressed. We don't look very stressed, but
I remember the last time that I announced a Bikini Contest over there. I was down by the pool,
15th time.
and I got tackled into the pool and lost my phone.
You actually hold the world record at Kokomo's for pool cell phone dunking.
And Robbie's still DJing there, cranking those awesome tunes. So you guys got to go down, check out Kokomo. If you're in Havasu, it's the place to be.
It is the place to be.
Yeah, we love you guys.